My name's Steve Eisen and I'm the Safety Director of Killpack Trucking, and today I'm going to show you how to correctly apply the adverse driving conditions using the Zonar. I got this directly from the FMCSA website, and this is about adverse driving conditions. Drivers are allowed to extend the 11-hour maximum driving limit and 14-hour driving window by up to 2 hours when adverse driving conditions are encountered. So that means you can extend your 11-hour drive clock up to 13 hours and your 14-hour clock up to 16 hours. Drivers are allowed to extend the 10-hour maximum driving time and 15-hour limit by up to 2 hours when adverse driving conditions are encountered. Now, I think it's 11 hours, but the website is saying 10. And today, I got myself in a bit of a predicament. I got caught in a snowstorm, and I wasn't able to get where I needed to be within my 11-hour drive clock. I had to extend that to 13 hours. So, how we calculate this is, well, if we look at my time for the day, I'm actually going to go to yesterday's logs because I started my 14-hour clock at 10:30 p.m. last night. Then if I go to today's date, I drove till about 7, and then I spent a little bit of on-duty time fueling, and then I spent the rest of my 30-minute break off-duty. And then I continued to drive, and my 11-hour drive clock ended up right at 10:30, but I had to extend that an hour and a half until noon today. So it does show red, but there is a way to fix it. And how we fix it is, when we pull up the logs, we click the 3 little lines in the top left corner, and then we are going to apply driving exemption. And is this driving exemption adverse driving conditions? Yes, it is. So we're going to select continue. All right. Now, what did we encounter? Well, it looks like there's a little snow, and there was a bunch of traffic as well. So I'm going to put snow on there. Now, just remember that when we're doing this, we can only use it to get to where we could normally get on a good day. And it is if something is unforeseen. So we don't want to be using adverse driving conditions to get like 800 miles down the road, because we couldn't get that on a good day. So we're going to apply this adverse driving conditions for snow. And we're also going to, let's see, we're just going to select snow, and we're going to click apply. And then we also want to leave a detailed note as to why we did what we did. So as you can see, it changed my driving from red to green. But now we need to be a little more specific than just snow. So we want to go down, we want to find out when I change the duty status to off duty. Shows that I applied the adverse driving conditions. So let's go ahead and add a note to this. So we're going to select the little edit pencil to the right of our off duty, and we're just going to add a note explaining what we did. So I'm just going to put unusual weather and traffic on I-80 between Laramie and Cheyenne. So we want this to be extremely specific, so that way we tell a DOT officer a story if we are to get pulled in and get DOT'd. We're going to go ahead and save that. Now we got our note in, and our red is gone, and we know how to correctly apply adverse driving conditions.